guys, I'm Alia.
I'm here. Hi guys, I'm Juliana.
And this is Zach.
Hello guys, I built this on. And Juliana. Actually, I built this on.
Sorry guys, it's loud song. We're speaking a language. Juliana, bakit mo So guys, I'm with Juliana house. Y'all are not. Please don't hate me and my best friend Juliana and my brother.
I need to get some things.
Okay.
I'm gonna go under the wait. Why aren't you outside?
Okay guys, if it's like tornado, we will come in here, get some food.
You can get out in here, Leah. Here.
Well, thank you. I'm gonna add my food. I'm just watching something, guys. We got so many things.
My spot is right away in here. Why did you took this from my room? Oh. I want that. My things. That's mine. That's mine. Fine. You have it. Yes, this is my sleeping spot. Make it so big. Aliyah, that's all your spot?
Which one?
This thing?
Yeah.
Yay, so this can be my spot. Wait, I need a light.
Juliana! Pag nag-tornado, dito tayo pupunta ha.
Okay. Punta kayo. Di dapat punta kayo sa bahay.
That's why we call those tornadoes base.
This is my spot. This is where my spot. Aliyah, this is where my spot. You can keep this.
Oh.
I need enough chicken. Stop, Zach! Those are mine! You're ugly now. I want to take the jacket off. Okay. Okay, I'm going to use it. It can work for me.
It doesn't. That's why it's only for beer.
Baby.
Yeah.
And I'm going to take the drip on. Sexy baby. This is going to be here. It's mine.
So bye bye guys.